Oh no. Hey everyone, how are y'all? Week 3, online learning. We didn't have class yesterday, which would be Monday. So today is Tuesday. I'm making these ahead of time, so I'm trying to think in the future. But anyway, I'm going to introduce to you the first assignment for the week. This week we're going to be focusing on poetry and imagery and extended metaphors and just poetry in general. So here's the first assignment for the week. You see week 3, phase 1. I'm going to put this in Google Classroom. I'm going to label it the same thing. And that's how you're going to complete your assignment is through Google Classroom. So today's assignment, read this poem by Emily Dickinson and then answer the questions that follow. While reading, be thinking about what the writer is trying to tell the reader. What metaphor is the writer trying to create for their reader? So again, as a metaphor, I put it on the next line. Remember, a metaphor is when two things are being compared without using like or as. So it's when they're comparing two very different things, but not using like or as. So instead of saying, I'm as fat as a whale, I would have to say it a different way to compare myself to the whale without using like or as to create the metaphor. So what we're going to do is read this poem titled Hope by Emily Dickinson. And there's just 5 questions down here at the bottom that you answer 1 or 2 sentences at most. I didn't want it to be too crazy, but I wanted to get your feedback and how the poem is viewed through your eyes, the reader, the students. So yeah, that's it for the first phase. Read the poem. You can read it. I would advise you to read it several times. 3 times, 4 times would be really good. It's super short, so it's not that hard to read. And then answer the questions. Put some thought behind it. Just don't, it's a good poem. Like, tell me why it's a good poem and how the poem affects you and stuff like that by answering these questions. So, again, if you have any questions, Google Classroom, email, Facebook, Instagram, Google Voice, Smoke Signal. Just kidding. But anyway, there's the assignment for week 3, phase 1.